Dear students, today we will see the states of matter. There are mainly three states of matter, but here we will see the five states of matter. Among the five states of matter, they are first solids, second liquid, third gas, fourth plasma, and fifth is Bose-Einstein condensate. Among these five, we will be looking the first one, properties of solids. Properties of solids. First one, let us see arrangement of particles. Arrangement of particles. Particles are arranged very closely, as we can see here. These particles are very close to each other. So due to the close particles, the shape becomes definite. It does not alter. So second number comes, they have definite shape, volume, and mass. They have definite shape, volume, and mass. They have definite shape, volume, and mass. Because of that, when we want to press them, they are not compressible. So third one comes, they are incompressible. They are incompressible. Fourth comes, we are looking here, the particles are very closely packed. So when they are very close to each other, they attract each other. Therefore, the interparticle force of attraction is strongest. Interparticle force of attraction is strongest. Interparticle force of attraction is strongest, since they attract each other very fast. Now we are looking here, between the particles very small space is present. So we can say fifth one, the interparticle distance. Interparticle distance between two particles of the solid is least. Very small. Interparticle distance is very least. We are looking here the spaces between the particle is very small. That is only known as interparticle distance is very least. When the interparticle distance is very least, so the particle becomes too dense, too much dense. As a result, the sixth comes, they have high density. High density. They have high density. Let us see the particles. Due to this high density, the particles are very closely packed. Sixth, seventh we can write 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4, 5, 6, 7. Particles are very closely packed. Particles are very closely packed. Particles are very closely packed. So these are the properties of solids. Once more, properties of solids. Arrangement of particles are like this, very close to each other. Particles are too close so that it becomes too hard. Second one is they have definite shape, volume and mass. Since they cannot be pressed or alter its shape, because of that they have the definite shape, volume and definite mass. They have different mass and very close to each other. Therefore, when we press, as for example this is, it is incompressible. As a result, they are incompressible also. If they are incompressible, then interparticle force of attraction is strongest. Since they are very close to each other, as we bring the magnet closer, they attract each other. When we move it far, it cannot attract each other, or they attract very least. Similarly, the particles are very close, because of that interparticle force of attraction is strongest here. Next, interparticle distance is least. Since they are very close to each other, therefore the distance between two particles is very, very small. That is, interparticle distance is least. They have high density. Since the particles is very dense, very close to each other, therefore they becomes dense, and due to this dense, they have the high density. Last one is particles are very closely packed. Since they are very close, very dense, therefore the particles are very closely packed. So these are the properties of solids. In next video we will see the properties of liquids. If possible, please write it in your notes copy. Thank you.